See man then go out and come back, you know guys. Jaden then go mash them up, you know.
Right, we go.
Jaden and the great
None we no miss.
You see I machine this?
I machine is clean.
Yeah man.
So here my peeps, see one bird there. Yeah man, for one small little fire my peeps. Huh? Yeah man, one squid.
Scheme out the pot there.
You done it already?
Yeah.
So you have some boy food.
Well, mess you up.
You mess it up?
You mess up the bird, you're right here.
Oh, you mess it up? You know taste good?
More.
Coconut dumpling them a set.
Well, nice.
That are the style. One more year upon them, one more day upon them, my peeps. You don't know we're out here doing the right thing. And guys, if you don't notice, listen, it's a 2-day expedition, and you don't know, say yo, when you roll out, you roll out. And man, you see, you're not gonna say man. And if I say roll out to them peeps, one ratty there, so do you know.
There guys.
You notice the and I don't see peeps. That whole adventure them away him. You see me I say, and you big up the next boss himself, Jaden. You see it?
Scammer there.
Scammer there. I want the right thing. You see it? Yes man, I'm fully active man, fully auto, you see it? Yeah man, ratty a jive. So we say we are going to do a style my peeps. We don't know fully what I go on it. A ratty a instructor. So.
Yeah, so we're there guys, we have a bird field where we are getting prepared for the 2024 season. We'll throw some rice and mad up a little video, so no stay tuned.
I see what I got.
See what I got.
You see it? Yeah man, the stay tuned and see what I got on the peeps because we are ratty fully outside. Machine them in a car and everything. Not to say nothing yet in them peeps. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Fully auto down. Alright my peeps, here it is now. Bird feed. This is the rice in the husk. Yo, 1 pound of that for cook, yeah? 1 pound of that for cook. Hog? A hog feed? Hog? Eh? No, it's shell out. Shell out. Share them in tree.
Where's Pretty? Is there any camouflage in tree?
I see it. And chest fat like.
Property.
Eh?
Yes, camouflage.
Oh, but I pass the chain fly. Maybe I too it down there, sir. What was it? Them peeps are fine too. Yeah. Yeah man, out and bad in idea. So as I say my peeps, me and the general them out here, I do the right thing in idea, you understand? Yeah man, sun hot.
Yes,
sun hot in that place my peeps. You see it? Yeah man. General them there. One hungry though. One hungry.
Me man.
Hungry. Look at them big mayat. So yes, my beautiful peeps, my beautiful family. One bird finds so far. I'm going to share fish. I want to say, I shoot on board and I'm going to you share and say full my belly. Yeah, man. So you general over the side go and throw. Yeah? Yes, so we have calling them in them peeps. Calling them. Beautiful place, man. Yeah, man. Unknown location, you understand? Yeah, man. So please, don't ask me where this is, please. Yeah, man. But the stay tuned with me, peeps. I want to see what we can take from this. And go and still them peeps, because I don't know, say. Either they go drink water or so. Ow. Fire burn me, my peeps. Oh. Yeah, man. So, I just say find one bird already, my peeps. So you don't know, say. Fine, me shoot one bird already. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, big enough peeps. It's small. Yeah. I already skin him already, too. Skin him everything already, my peeps. So you don't know the flex. Yes, man. See him there. So I get him by the fire as soon as the fire catch up. Yeah, man. When I can no season. When I bring no seasoning, no salt. You understand? Yeah, man, the guys, so I go and hunt more. Not near, Ratty. You Ratty? You know, hear me? But that's me 7 piece. What? I'm Friday. I'm Friday. Oh, that. For real. So, yeah, my peeps, see one bird there. Yeah, man, for one small little fire, my peeps. You know? Yeah, man, one squid. You know, say no bird season at the peeps, so you can't really shoot no game bird yet. You know? But them I can shoot all year round, the peeps. Squids. Yeah, man, I can shoot them anytime. Yeah, man, them not there from the guideline of hunting. You know? Them are squids. Your pitch here over there. What's the night pitch here? And I no pitch here. See them peeps? Well ready and nice. Well ready. Juicy. No, see that high, no?
Go on over. Where's thing shot there?
Yo, see what you got there, man?
Two of them did it.
Alright, my peeps, so we leave off of that location, you know, my peeps, because whenever they do go on, we don't see it, you know. We find one bird and we go so boom and get him and eat him, because we don't waste him, you see it? Alright, how much bird I shot today?
I don't know about eating, but you know, consume, you know.
So what on? What you have to do for consuming? You have to put in your mouth?
No.
You don't put in your mouth?
Yeah, put in your mouth.
You don't chew it?
Yeah.
You don't swallow it?
But we not eat. Consume. But anyway, guys, we're on a different location, so
yeah.
Go on, watch what go on.
Yeah, man, the stay tuned with Peeves location for the vacation.
I got for some of the pitching them. Yeah.
One to them. Oh, I remember, guys, these pigeons, we're not going to waste them. And people actually get rid of them off of them property because they have become a nuisance, so you don't know. I get rid of them off of them property. You understand? And the result in that it can be a nice meal and idea to cook with something. I don't know, so we have to do the peeps. We're gonna see what happens. Just stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share. Do the right thing. Please subscribe. You understand? Outside. See one of them, see two of them, buddy. Three of them. Yeah, my peeps, the scammer gone out or 3 pigeon. But then turn them back to your scammer. Back as they say.
Hey guys, Jaden, I go upon him, you know.
Alright, Jaden. Take your time, excuse the chica.
Oh, freak, are you? Watch him, look, watch him. Nice shot, boy. Yo, you wanna see slope? Accident, peeps, girl. Our macaroni.
2 car.
No good.
Nobody. See one girl looking at the one never smell dead. Find it out, man. Eventually, I'm top. Next one. Run down off the road. I'm going to look right in the camera. Hold on, drop it too low. I said, that's the one we talked to the feet there. Let me see what he did. Hi! What's up? One pigeon out already, my peeps. Yeah, see there? One now out. Beautiful. Yeah, man, you mouth out, man. Are you taking off?
Huh?
Are you taking off?
No, I take down the one and on.
Yeah, I'll take the next one.
Yeah.
You fly. But then you're hacking at people sitting. And you can't go underneath and feel like your head clean. Can't see head.
Go on again, man. Just take time. Yeah guys, so see it there. We're out there clean up your bird them we just shot a while ago, you see me? Yeah man, there.
One ratty gang, man. I'm there to go and struggle. I take off that coconut and close my peeps.
Bad boy Jaden around this up.
No raping around here if you coconut, you know. I'm supposed to have it. Yeah, man. My teeth news pulling them peeps. You see it? Teeth. Teeth news pulling. You guys the teeth? Pulling?
No sir.
No,
my teeth not so strong.
My teeth pull apart, yeah.
Alright guys, so just go and look what go on. Yeah, I go see Papa pot a bubble. Hold on, by the way, where you say I go do with them coconut?
You know some coconut dumpling I make today. Yeah man, I cook on the bird them some brown stew coconut sauce. You understand? With a touch of caramanga and jimbling. You understand? Yeah. That I go on the peeps. So just stay tuned and see what I go on the peeps. Me and Rafi out here go and hold on the kitchen, then the man them forward back. You understand? Yeah man, that I go on.
We out. So yeah guys, there I go clean them up now.
But that's the pack you do. So, you know, nice? You know, nice?
Yes, you know, nice. I'm going to take him off his foot, you know? Get him well clean and nice. Take out the crab. So part of what we cut out now, I wish part all I feeding him go. So yeah man. There. Mats up sitting still. So you guys will see what I go on. Yeah man, sit down for your place there guys. Say something, Joe. Joe. Yo, say something for your camera now, man.
Yeah man. Alex Banger, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
VIBEZ, says, you set all the thing, you know?
Yeah man, it's me. Mud up the pot there, because we do it for you not block up, you understand?
Yeah,
so I like the fire.
Kick off the fire, you know?
But I use the something trash, but it, you know, dry.
You know.
I don't want it dry, you know, bone dry.
Yeah.
So I go use one fork, you know? Yeah, normally we don't use this thing, we just use with napkin or whatever. This
with the cooking oil?
Yeah, with the cooking oil. Don't burn me now, don't burn me.
Alright. What? See man then go out and come back, you know guys. Jaden then go mash them up, you know. Right, we go. Jaden and the great chin.
We no miss.
You see I machine this?
I'm machine this clean.
Yeah man. Jaden they go mash them up, Jaden.
No.
How much I take you?
5. Up.
5 that? Wow. Pretty now.
Them boy are shooting bad, man.
No,
Yeah,
see
man.
her. So it's here. Come. You see I wanna fly with us. Shut them out here.
Alright, so. Yeah guys, see dog them outside, you know. Dog them just go do murder, you know. And I clean them up, you know. Great man, Jaden. What you say? What you have to say? It was wonderful, no? Yeah guys, so see we set on the water, then we have a scally bird them first. And then we see what we're on after.
So yes, my peeps, you're gonna make some flour here guys. Yeah man, a 4 pound of flour with some cornmeal, salt. Yeah man, we have scald off the bird, them in this my peeps. Yeah man, I forget them scald off, you know. What you go on to the scalding. Yeah man, Mr. Garlin.
No.
Yeah man. General, if you get that one so big man? No, this one get that one so big. How for money? Wait. Oh. So, yeah, my peeps, as we say, I get the flour, need up my peeps. So I don't know if now see if we get for need up it. But I don't know if we need up flour already. For no over VIBEZ family adventure, I'm supposed to know if we need up flour. You understand? Yeah, man. So, throw them in the pan, my peeps. Yeah.
Go for river, man.
Huh?
Go for river,
You know something that I go this morning? I just 2 minutes this one movie gun.
Tell me when you have a video.
No, me never know, brother. Catch me, me get up early this one.
I say you have to tell me when you have a video so I have my belly, brother.
Chinese Indian people belly?
I don't want the people to see some have a big old belly for a young.
Yo, one pack you have that one, full crate.
I true life agree with me.
I life agree with you, man. Alright, the peeps, so I go on there. That is the coconut milk boiling peeps. So you know, I'm gonna make the flour, guys. I'll show you now. We have the dumplings, you know. I make the dumplings, sit there, they make it already, and set it. What's it now? Talk now. Wait, what up your hand first? Put up your hand before I talk.
Me say.
It's a present teacher.
Me say him young and him. And look how him big, belly big.
Oh,
yeah.
my.
I saw you go on. Put in the flour then, my peeps. In a pot, you know. It's like that, over. Come in, make we set that part of the bird pot. We must have movements, you know. And improvements, you understand? That papa, they just set on black near this. I thought I just cool over this. No. Anything. I would just put on this. Fire right there.
Let's do it for Africa.
The man some cooks, you know.
Clean up,
Yeah, man, so as we see my peeps, out here, you see we go up on the hunt this morning. Yeah. Honestly, we're going to find on one spot, but we find one whole heap said, you understand, food there. Yeah, man, so you them are going to test. Target practice here, man.
Yes, we catch on funny.
No, you don't have.
No more man there for years, brother.
No, we don't. Can't give. A good boy, can't give.
A good youth.
From there, jump around.
What I say, we feel make one more fire.
You just put on black on this.
What you say?
I'm sure down this apart there. Ready to advance it on. So I put the transfer the bird in a signals. You season up. Alright, my peeps. Alright, my family. See there? Ratty, I put on the bird meat. You understand? Ratty, I do the bird today, guys. I was gonna say, I'm gonna do the hunting. Come back. A real outer man, this is them peeps. Yeah, see there one ratty badness. You know? Yeah, man. Real outer man. When bird see bird get out this instant. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ratty afraid of them, man. Ratty afraid for out them out, my peeps. Yeah, man. So as I see them peeps. Ratty set on the pot. Coconut milk with banana and dumpling. That are going. General them out and stunting. Yes, man. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, eat that. Have some garlic and pepper in our pot, you know.
You can't light it. You have magic. You light it.
Alright, my family. Let's see what I'm going to do. Yeah, man, the bird in my fire. Look how beautiful is that piece. Coconut dumpling in a pot. Ratty, what's that? Jesus Christ. Some people not get none, you know? Some people not get none.
Such man not get none.
Such man not get none. Such man not get none. Peeps, remember say we always showing this. We call them Kamranga. Yeah, man. Very sour, but they can make juice and them. Yeah, man. Yo.
I sent catching crew them now, like a young.
Send catching crew. I send catching come from? Where you come from? Bush. Bush live?
Send catch it.
Oh.
Bush park, send catch.
Two bush back? Okay. Alright, my peeps. The banana them are mash up.
Alright,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bush park,
Ooh. Pretty. You see that, Ratty?
Yeah, so if me see that, I'm here.
No, you know so I'm just to. You know, you-
And the coconut juice, you put right?
You want to have the fast line of the banana to work. I'm going to show you what.
Yeah, one cup more.
Alright, the peeps, so got here go and cut up the seasoning of the bird. Yeah man, freshly killed bird, my peeps. All the basic necessity. Yeah man. Meanwhile them youth over there so go and build back.
Yes.
Alright, my peeps in a ratty pot, you know.
Where are you doing pot, Bridget? Where are you doing pot?
Thief me a thief out of style, man. You know say me have tap some. How are this?
Starfruit.
AKA what?
Jimbilly.
Dumplings.
Ratty no you know man yo. Ratty no you know.
I mean, I have to tell him, man.
You have to tell him. You see it my peeps, so you have some starfruit in that bird.
It's
With a nice flavour.
So look stylish.
Yes man. Star the show. Yeah man, they say sweet. I will make sure they're sweet, you know. Sugar?
I need to get sugar in here.
Man, then there, you know, man.
We active, man. We active, man. Active, man.
Shiny, man.
Hey, the backside. The man talk and him out lean.
Well, beautiful.
Yeah.
Active, man.
Alright, now you ask him what they sign the meaning, you know?
See me active, man. Active.
See, young shooter, you know, with him gun round his neck.
Yeah man, bad gun as a shooter.
That biggest one.
Yeah, biggest idiot.
Alright, so you have to say.
Yeah, my biggest idiot, don't you? The people know that already.
I can't have a mango say I go out with say, you know, vibe.
When ever challenge me right in the beat.
Challenge you to what?
That is,
You beat me in a dumbness, yes?
smell good too, you
You
know,
beat me
guys.
in a ugliness. Yes man.
Well,
You must have your partner to the storm or
Yeah,
something. You see it? Oh,
you know, and I feel like sure my pot, you know.
you understand?
It smells good, you know.
It smell good, man. You see it? People have to know say I one ratty in the building. You see it? And when I say one ratty, we don't mean John Gatty.
Yeah.
That type thing.
Yeah, guys, so see it there. I ending this, you know. We're gonna take him off now and start share out the food them. So stick and stay tuned.
One ratty gang. Run up on me for bother see.
What you say?
Food ready.
Why not that?
You know but I use this. Coconut dumpling them a set.
Well,
That
nice.
are the style. Yeah man, so I'll share it now.
Yes, peeps. Vibes, they are sure to food
Yes
now.
man, you're going to share the food, but I'm not getting none.
Nah, get none.
No,
Oh no, they have to get
no,
none.
they have to get none.
Boy,
Nah, get none.
boy, 13 dumpling Martin. I'm age Martin.
Okay, the cameraman this we are talking him all long in our pot. I food sweet as I can hide it. I have it on my pot.
Smell sweet, man.
And you not get none.
And you know,
What?
I'm getting worse.
Come here, come put the pot in
What
the
kind
corner.
of video man this one? Brother, when we are talking, hold up the camera up and we brother and stop pay food mine.
Food, I forget mine, man.
Yeah. Alright, look over here, sir. Look over here, sir. Look over here, sir. Oh, beautiful.
One that
is that?
peeps.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Give him a one
One ratty gang cookie, you know. Bad bird.
Yeah man.
Take what there?
Good man.
Sit down on the banana.
Team out the pot.
Yes man.
You can put more water. Good for.
Need a little stir.
Is that like what?
Need a little stir.
Steer. Yeah. A piece of breast is the most gravy. And the camera. See man them there. Right. Kuya, you feel like I want to say? He come like in the army, you salute who you way back.
You want him, man.
This one.
I
No,
want it man. Yo, give man piece of bread man. Give man piece of bread. Panty man. What you call that again? Panty man.
Titty man.
Titty man. Oh, titty man. What food? Oh, one other than. No? Man, if you had the cut class.
What food are going on? Can't even talk, eh? So it's sweet, you can't talk.
I'm on food are going.
Hey, my dumpling are cut.
You know, the dumpling are thick like a mudfish.
But bite, you have to bite.
Thick like mudfish, guys. Well, nice. And taste the flavor.
Pieces, man, you never have any. You never have any. This is
Yeah, never
pieces,
tried
man. Ratty, the hell of me pea.
You can't get peace on this side of my friend. Too sweet for give it right now. So how do you have to work for them?
Starfruit.
And a nice piece of brissa. Well, pretty.
And people say that bread.
Mad one.
Bad.
Bad.
Combination.
Carmanga juice too is good too.
Where they?
Come on, what you say?
They are well and chill. Carmanga juice. No, I don't think so. You see,
Afuno.
see when I have a drink out there.
Afuno.
You have
I
to
blend some grass. You
you have to improvise, dog.
blend grass going, daddy.
Goat, you ever see goat
The
like
beef, the
blend grass?
jimbling get a taste. A nice. Oh God.
Dumplings, aka Starfruit. And the caramel, remember you know? Caramel,
Check in with the man over here and see what go on. Camera forward now. How it on, Popeye?
Alright. Sweet of fruit. But no say something in the bad.
Oh God. Hunter out.
Can't talk to you, I'm busy right
Steady
now.
run on one part.
Mouth full.
Man, everything good, man.
Alright, my
Nice,
boss.
boy, nice.
Hunter, go on. Free. So you hide, brother?
Yeah, sure.
You don't need already?
Yeah,
What you have to boy food?
well, mess you up.
You mess you up?
You mess up the bird. Yeah, right here.
Oh, you mess you up? You not taste good?
More. Yeah,
You could have want some more. Could have want some more. For real. Yeah, man.
that's how I go, man.
Right, my babes, so you don't know, say, we come, we cook some food, and we conquer the place. Everybody belly full of so. But due to the music, my peeps, you have to kind of move, you see it, because music can play over there, so. Due to copyrights, you have to lift up on a level, you see it, so. Guys, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Ratty, tell them all, guys.
Yeah, guys, we out with the next banger.
That is it, man.